What's going on, guys? It's a different start to the vlog today. I actually don't even want to consider this a vlog just because there is no start, middle, or end. I just thought I'd share with you what I just went through, what I purchased. Obviously, you guys can see from the title and thumbnail of this video. And since my last BMW E90 325i, which I'm about to show you in a couple seconds here, it blew up when I posted the full mod list. I think it's got close to 20,000 views now in the last like 5 or 6 months. So today, I happen to purchase some aftermarket E90 LED headlights. Now, I had buy xenon headlights with the xenon rings and everything, ballast, you know, the complete deal, the best headlights you could possibly get on an E90. But the ballast went wrong, the wiring fried, the halo rings were starting to flicker here and there. So you know what, I'm like, forget it. So I quickly researched on eBay, on Amazon, and I found these bad boys right here. Now I'm gonna go through, after I show you guys what I purchased, I'm gonna go through how I installed it. I didn't want to completely film the install just because I wanted these on the car. I was a little bit stressed. I'm not a mechanic, so I just want to prove to you guys don't need to be a mechanic to do this at all. So let me show you guys what I got here. You guys have probably seen these on eBay. You're probably wondering about condensation and watering and the fitment and how they look. Of course, I completely asked myself this question as well. Let me bring you around to the other side here. And here they are. I just spent the last probably 4 hours doing this install. I've never taken off the front bumper before. I've never taken out, obviously, a headlight before. So this is my first time. If you guys have like a lift or you guys take the wheels off, which I did not, you could probably get this done in like an hour and a half to 2 hours. But I just wanted to show you guys what they look like. I'll have some clips of them on, but honestly, guys, like I had foggy headlights with my bi-xenon ones. As I mentioned, all the lights were going out, and there was some water condensation on the bi-xenon here, but that's what you guys get right there. So these are an inch thick of the halos. They're LEDs. They come with halogen, which I took out because I don't want to run the halogen high beams during the day. I just want to run the rings, and then the side, I could code the side out and just have the rings going, but I didn't want this going with the rings, and then that. So it looks stupid, so I took that out. They do come equipped with halogen. I believe this is an H1, and this was an H7. So I purchased H7 LEDs. So these will run daytime, and then when you do full switch in the interior on the dash, these will pop up with these as well. I got the LED fogs down here as well, but...
All right. Enough talking, enough yapping. Let's get to the most important topic of this video. Showing you guys the brand new E90 aftermarket LED headlights. In 3, 2, 1.
Guys, so there you have it. Look at that thing, man. And big shout out to Eric something. I'm gonna link his video down below. He has helped me out so much, and his buddy, his Instagram, I'll link it, everything. But guys, that's what she looks like right there. I can't complain. The real test is going to be condensation, water condensation. Alright guys, so I just wanted to bring this outside, and it actually happened to rain 3 hours after install. It's been a couple hours now. So as of right now, as you guys can see, it's doing all right. I think it's gonna be okay. I'm not too sure. I'm gonna have to really test it out in the next week or so when it's really pouring heavily. But they look not bad, guys. So obviously it's hard to keep the rain off of the headlights so you can actually see right through them. But maybe I'll throw some wax on there, some hydro properties, you know. So honestly, guys, I just wanted to show you guys the outside. And yeah, that's about it. If you guys have any comments, concerns, questions, you guys know it, comment down below. But there you go, guys. Subscribe to the channel. Go check out my BMW E90 full mod list. And peace. you.